Hello everyone. If your boiler is showing this error code, so here what you need to do, because two things can be happen. First of thing is water level is down. It should be 1.5 level. So see this is level water level key. Switch it towards unlock, see log unlock, and from left lever to the anti-clockwise, and then it will fill up the tank. So once this 1.5 level, so first task is completed. Now go for the second one. Go outside and check your drain pipe of the boiler. Can you see that? Can you see that ice, snow? Because of the frozen water, this drain is blocked. So you need to put kettle water on top of it. Yeah, some more water, more boiling water. So defrost this frozen drainage. See that? So let's see if the boiler is working back. Let's see if the boiler is working now. If it's not working, then just put more water, more boiling water on the drainage, frozen drainage. So reset. Yeah, it looks working now. You're gonna see the light. See, this light is on now. The radiator water is heating up now. So it's working. The temperature is rising now. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and you can see that this one, the black sign arrow indicating the on off time, what is it? This indicating on. So from here you can select this option off on, turn off on. So ch center heating is flashing. It's Friday today, so it's working. Temperatures are already gone up. My radiators are hopefully working. And thank you for watching. Share if you like it. Thank you.